Good morning, everyone. I hope you're ready for your Friday. I wanted to go over today's plans and then also the new thing I put on Google Classroom last night. I hope the parents take a look at this too. So, let's look at our schedule for today, week 2, the last day of week 2. I open that up. And if we look over here on Friday at 8:45, we have our morning meeting and read aloud. You go to the link in the Google Classroom under morning meeting and you will be able to get to the meeting. At 9:45 to 10:30, we have math. You will need your white Zern binder at some point during the lesson, but other than that, you will also need your whiteboard and whiteboard marker if you're a first grader. Second graders, you will join the link for Mr. Hubbard's class. I believe you're still doing attribute blocks. You may need your attribute stuff. At 11 o'clock to 11:45, we will be doing a writing lesson. You will need the weekly news journals that I sent home yesterday with the Thursday group. The Tuesday kids, I sent an email to your parents yesterday afternoon asking that they pick it up. It's outside the classroom door if you still need it. That is all for our schedule today. I'd also love to see if you have time, if you want to get into some Lexia Core 5, I think that would be great too, but that's not required today. Now, the new part of the classroom that I wanted to show, the Google Classroom I wanted to show you, was the section called This Year's Students. If you click on Meet the Class and Mr. Young's Class Introductions, you can learn about all the kids that are in our class, including the ones you don't see because you come on Tuesday or Thursday. So each kid has their video, then their picture. So if you click on this picture or video, you'll hear Arlo talk about his poster. Then we have every kid with the exception of 2. We had one kid who was absent the day we did it and another kid who still wanted to do a little more work on their poster. So once they're both back and finished with their stuff, we will record them and add them to this as well. But I thought it'd be a great way for you to get to know each kid. For the kids you don't get to see them. And for parents, you can start putting a face to names that you're hearing kids talk about. That is all for now. I hope you all have a great weekend, and I will see some of you very soon at 8:45.